Hello, it's JM. Today we are going to solve SSAT math questions. First, let's solve question 18. Which of following can be the sum of two negative numbers? Two negative numbers. Negative numbers plus negative numbers must be negative numbers. So the answer is E. Okay, then let's solve question 19. Which of following is not a prime number? Let's look A. A is a prime number, so it's not a answer. And B. 7 is not a prime number. And C. 17 is also not a prime number. D. 87 is prime number. Is not a prime number because 87 divide 3 is 29. So D is the answer. And E, 101 is prime number. Okay, let's solve 21. Question 21. Susie and Dennis are training for a marathon. On Monday, they both run 3.2 miles. On Tuesday, Susie runs miles and Dennis runs 3.6 miles. On Wednesday, Susie runs 4 miles and Dennis runs miles. During those 3 days, how many more miles does Susie run than Dennis? First, let's solve Susie. Susie ran 3.2 plus this. So Susie runs Susie runs 3.2 plus 4.8 plus this, and this is 8, and 8 is this, and so this is 13.2. And then it's ran this plus this plus this. So 6.8 plus this, and this is, and this is, and this is, and so Dennis ran 9.2 miles. So the answer is 13.2 minus 9.2. So answer is 4.